just like so. There's the old bulb. That's the old one. And this is a new one. Daytime running lights, it doesn't work on this side because some water got into the housing, but works. Well, I like the looks of it anyway. Here's what they look like. Coming out, just a LED chip infused thing. Actually, look really cool. This is actually the second one. We put the first one in, and it turned out pretty good. And put my new LED headlights in, went and fired it up. And what ended up happening is the computer is a little bit glitchy about it. I didn't realize it until I was looking up some YouTube videos and stuff, but needs a resistor. So I guess we're going to have to get some of those too, I guess. So I busy just tightening up one because I got just putting the halogens back in again for now until I get the resistor. Other than that, hopefully it works fine. Then I looked up a YouTube video and there was a guy that had the exact same issue. Just tightening the bolt here. But yeah, so I guess see ya till then. See here, this is low beam, and that's high beam. It's really, really foggy out here though. So I ended up buying resistors because I'm not sure if I showed it or not, but if you'd put it on low beam, the lights would flash and then die when I had the new LED lights in, and then when I threw it in high beam, everything worked. So I ended up having to buy resistors yet too, and now everything works perfectly fine and I'm happy. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day.